That was Stolen Moments by Oliver Nelson. Next up, we're going to play through this again, but we're going to have the Guitar Pro neck diagram, tablature, and standard notation running along with the music. Then we're going to go through this step by step. After that, I'll take you through the basics of the chord changes for soloing, which are different than for the melody. Basically a minor blues. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and dig deeper with tunes like this one at Fretprints.com. All right, let's get started. Now that we've played through this again, let's work on the step by step. We'll start with position 8, string 2, and then we'll go to fret 10 and fret 11, back to fret 10. That will serve as our intro, and then we'll go into the main melody. Position 8. So play right here, fret 8, 11, 10, strings 2 and 1, and then we're going to go to fret 8 and string 2, fret 11. Now to the second measure on the screen, we have 8 and 10, strings 1 and 2, and then we're going to play quickly between F and C here, frets 10, strings 3 and 4, and then we're going to go to string 3, fret 8, and string 2, fret 8. Okay, so there's some eighths mixed with 16th notes. Okay, now next measure, very similar, or really just the same as that first one. Okay, and then we're going to that fourth measure on the screen here. String 1, fret 8, and string 2, fret 10. And into string 2, fret 8. Okay, now remaining in position 8. So string 2, fret 9, string 1, fret 8, and 11. And then we're going to 10 and 8 on string 1. Back to fret 10, string 2, fret 11, string 3, fret 10, and then string 2, fret 9. Okay, and then moving on, measure 3 on the screen here. Okay, so string 3, fret 8, string 2, fret 8, and then string 2, fret 11. Staying on string 2, 10 and 8. And then back to 10, 8 on string 3. And then we're going into our next segment where we'll play 8 and 11. We have Okay, so kind of this repeated figure, string 1 between frets 8 and 11. Then we're going to play an octave lower, basically kind of the same thing. Now we get into string 2, 8 and 10, and then 11. And then back to fret 8. We repeat the melody. We'll go through this a little bit quicker this time. Okay, that was the first two measures on the screen. Okay, and then the second two measures on the screen. Getting to the 4 chord. And then back to the 1 chord, third measure on the screen. So we have that statement, and then we're gonna, again, set up the next grouping with frets 8 and 11 on string 2 moving to string 1. So repeated figure there, moving that down an octave. Moving up to position 8. Okay, we've talked about the melody here. Let's talk a little bit about the chords. We'll start with the chords on the melody, which are different than the solo sections. So at the very beginning, the intro, we have C minor 7. Now in the horn parts, you may hear some minor 9 kinds of sounds, but I'm just going to go over some real basic things. So C minor 7, D minor 7, E flat major 7. Okay, we have C minor 7. Well, some of the melody will include a minor 6 sound that tends to kind of alternate. So C minor 7, C minor 6. Similar with the F minor 7, F minor 7, F minor 6. And then C minor 7, C minor 6. So next up we have D minor 11, E flat minor 11, E minor 11, F minor 11, F sharp minor 11, we start going back down, F minor 11, E minor 11, and E flat minor 11. Landing again on D minor 11, D sharp minor 7, C over E, F minor 11, C minor 7, and G7, sharp 5. From there, on solos, you'll play minor blues progression, so wouldn't use these same chords. So let's give you an example of minor blues. So in C minor, typically would have C minor 7, 4 bars, F minor 7 for 2, C minor 7 for another 2 bars, A flat 7, sharp 11. Sometimes this can be played as major 7 as well. And then G7, back to C minor 7. And then you can put a 5 chord at the end of that if you want to, or hear it in the group. Okay, so there we've covered the melody and the harmony. Thanks for watching. You may find you need more help with tunes like this one. visit fretprints.com and sign up for a free trial to our member area where you can find sound slice exercises, live streams, mini lessons, and more. Enjoy your practice session, and I'll see you all in the next one.